Hey, what's up, everybody? Billy here. I wanted to do this quick video for a friend of mine who was struggling with building her list and coming up with emails and basically just affiliate marketing as a whole. In my opinion, affiliate marketing is pretty simple to do once you have the foundations. What I wanted to do today is just do a quick run through of how I would look for an offer, make a page for it, and even come up with an email. And you can basically do this with any offer out there. There's many ways to do this. Again, this is just one easy way, and it does work. I do it all the time, but it's not the only way, right? You guys can get creative with this, and maybe you have some other tips that you can leave in the comment section as well, and help us all out. So I'm always willing to learn. So with that said, please stay tuned. This is going to be a short video, and if I have to make two videos, I will. But let's see if we can do this in one, okay? All right, so the first thing we're going to do here is, I'm going to use Warrior Plus, but you can also do the same thing with ClickBank, with Nexus, with Cash Network, JVZoo. If you have your own affiliate offer, you can do the same with that as well, because again, what I'm going to show you, you can do with any product or service and just run with it. I already saw an offer that I was going to look at sending some traffic to. So we're going to just start there, and I'm just going to show you what we're going to do here. So I'm just going to click on the offer name here, and I want to look at the sales page here. So I'm going to click on the sales page, open that up. And the first thing that you'd want to do if you were going to promote an offer that you don't know anything about is obviously is come and check out the page and see what it looks like, and if you like the way it looks, if it's something that you would buy from, because if not, then you definitely don't want to be trying to promote it, right? So this offer, I know the makers behind it, AJ and Mark, and they're very trustworthy guys. So that's kind of why I'm choosing this product today. So now, again, what we're going to do is just show you how I would promote this very quickly. So I'm not going to spend much time, but what I'm going to do is just kind of scroll down this page, and I'm going to look for text that I can use to build a capture page, and then how I can, get an email, if not multiple emails, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of scroll down this page and look for something that catches my eye here for the capture page, right? Because that's the first thing we want to do is we want to capture email leads. So usually when you come to any offer, usually at the very top, we need to remember this here. Usually at the very top, they're going to have a pretty strong headline, right? So if we look at this headline, I can already see off the bat here, that this will show you how we made 3,972 in 48 hours and consistently make over $1,000 per day, right? So that's a pretty strong headline, and one that with the traffic source that I'll be using, which is email traffic, it would be a very good headline. So let's go ahead and start there. So what I'm gonna do is literally just see if I can copy that, and it looks like I can't. So what we're gonna do is just take this headline and take it over to our funnel builder. All right, so what I did here, since I couldn't copy that information, I just came over here and made the page real quick. But if you just look at this page here, and this is the page here, I just kind of took some of the words from here. This is AJ and Mark, and you can even listen to this video, guys, and get some text, some headline, inspiration here just by listening to what they're saying. Even in the emails, guys, you can when you listen to these videos, they're kind of touching on some of the pain points and also future casting, and then you'll be able to just pull out some text from the videos as well. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. But I know this is AJ right here, and Mark is another guy here. But if you look at the website here, you can see I just copied pretty much what they have here, and I use the same colors as well, because when people the traffic is coming through, you want to kind of mimic the same colors if possible, and the same type of wording. So here we'll show you how we made 3,972 and 30 cents in 48 hours and consistently make over $1,000 per day. So I have the limited time offer here. Copy this free sales machine system that banked AJ, the money amount here with the time. in 3 simple steps. Ready to consistently make $1,000 per day. Enter your best email below to see if you qualify. So they put in their email. You can see here the button color is pretty close to the color here. You know, I could probably match that even better. And I put yes, claim my spot. Why? Because when they come here, it says, you know, click the button below to claim your spot. So they come here and they click that. So you can see everything is fairly congruent here, guys. I mean, you know, this is not a science here. You can even, you know, play with these headlines and stuff again to make a better capture page. But for the traffic source that I'm going to be using, this kind of capture page is going to work really well. It's simple, it's plain, it's not too much text. So until I run traffic, I won't know how this page converts, but that's why you want to test. You want to get traffic, send it here, see what your opt-in rate is, and then you can make adjustment, excuse me, and optimize this page to get a higher opt-in rate, which is going to put more eyeballs on this page, which is what you want, right? Because when they come to this page, this is how you're going to make money. So that right there is how I would look for an offer and scroll down the page and just find different headlines that you may be able to use. And if I wanted to test that and that didn't work out well, I could come back in here again and just kind of scroll. I could listen to some testimonials and find another headline to use. You know, I mean, look at this one right here. Using a unique selling system that helps you sell in less than 24 hours. I mean, that would be a good headline that you could play with as well to, you know, change your copy here to get higher opens. So now let's move on to see if we can find some emails, because that's pretty much the capture page that I would use for a start. And now we want to make an email to be able to follow up with these leads because most of the leads aren't going to buy the first time they see this offer. But if you stay consistent and keep emailing every day, you know, that's where your sales are going to come. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, guys. So just so you didn't have to sit here and watch me type all this, I went ahead and typed it out. So again, the way that you can get emails, guys, if you're new to this, okay, and again, there's so much more that can be done. There's so much more playing around that you could do with these words and stuff like that. But again, all I'm showing you is just how to do this in a fast way and where you can get some data, meaning traffic through the funnel and through the follow-up, and then you'll be able to optimize from there, guys. So again, so what I did first off, I mean, I didn't even have to get far into the page, okay? So step one, you know, you can look through the whole entire sales page here, guys. And I mean, there's all kinds of text. Again, like these videos here, I mean, they're priceless, guys. You can listen to them and you can, I mean, literally take the whole testimonial in text form, guys, and make that an email, right? And you can even take a screenshot of this and that can be a picture for the email with her testimonial below. You know, that could be one email, right? I mean, you know, look at all these videos, guys. This is all copy that you can use, right? Because you're promoting this offer. So if you just keep reading, guys, and doing that, you can find stuff. But I'll show you what I came up with on the first email. I mean, look, these could all be bullet points here, right? You know, private exclusive Facebook group, completely step-by-step video training. All these could be bullet points in your emails. You know, bonuses here. You can use that. You know, when you grab this offer, you'll get 4,491 dollars worth of bonuses, all included, guys. I mean, you know, you can use that, right? Because they are going to get that. Again, more bullet points. You know, this could be all in a separate email, right? I mean, when I see this page, I'm just seeing, you know, all kinds of emails, guys. I mean, look at all the videos. Definitely listen to them, guys, and you'll get some inspiration. And AJ here, he's giving so much information in this video that you can literally use as email copy. But let's go ahead and move on to the email that I would test, right? Because I would put this in an email and then I would send traffic and test it, see what happens, see if it gets a lot of opens, if it gets a lot of clicks, and then I would just adjust and optimize from there. I would change the subject line if you know, if the open rate wasn't high enough, I would, you know, try a different subject line, right? If I didn't get a lot of clicks, then I would change the call to action, you know. So let's look at the email. And all I did, and I'll show you where I got it from. I didn't even have to go far. So I started right here. 3 fast steps to real autopilot results. So let's look at my email. So the subject line here, I just took that word for word. And again, you can play with these words, guys. You don't have to use it as is, but again, it's for inspiration. But again, so my subject I would start with is 3 fast steps to real autopilot results. And where'd I get that? Literally right there. And it even tells you what the 3 steps are going to be right here, right? So the next part here, the body, I started with this, the secret of making money online. And I'm not going to read all this to you guys, but because you can read it here, because I just got it from the sales page. So if I go back to the sales page, you can see all of it right here, all this right here. Okay, that's I literally you can use that as an email. So if you see right here, where you can see the real proof for yourself here. If you can see right here, see the real proof for yourself, right? And since it's email, I put see the real proof for yourself here, right? And then this right here, this is where you would put your link. So when people were reading this in an email, they would click that because you said click here, right? So you would have put your affiliate link here. And then I put, before I forget, the 3 steps to autopilot results, which was the subject line, right? So I want to give them what they open for, right? So then I listed the 3 steps here: step 1, step 2, step 3, which again were right here: step 1, step 2, step 3. And let me see here, see if I can get back here. Then on the very last sentence here, I said, let me know when you finish step 2. Download your affiliate money pages in 1 click. Let me know when you finish step 2, because I want to be the first to congratulate you on making autopilot sales. Thanks, Billy. So what I did here was I want to try to get a reply, right? Because your autoresponder company is going to be watching how many opens you're getting, if you're getting replies. It's good for your domain. It's good all around. So you always want to ask some kind of question or get some kind of reply on every single email. Okay, so this is me saying, hey, after you get step 1 and step 2, let me know, because what step 3 is to make sales, right? So they're going to be following the system here, which is going to be leading, showing them these 3 steps and helping them make sales. So this right here would hopefully get you a reply once they finish step 2, so that you can connect with them, guys. And if not, at least get a reply of them saying, hey, I finished step 2. What do I do now? Well, that's going to be good for your domain, but you're also going to be able to help that person, get through the system, right? So let's go over what we did here, guys. So I have a website, okay, that I didn't think of this copy by myself. I went and I looked around and saw the headline, right? So I have the capture page that I would send traffic to. And then whenever they get an email, they're going to get this first email, which I didn't think of it myself, guys. I just came to the sales page and just looked around. Okay, now this was just done quickly, right? So I could go back in here and do what I told you about listening to testimonials. I could take some screenshots, so I could put some images in the email along with the testimonial that they said, right? And basically all I have to do now is get traffic to this page here and see what the data is going to look like. See if I need to change something. See, if I'm not getting a lot of opens, if I'm not getting a lot of clicks. I won't know that until I get traffic here. Okay, so that's basically all there is to it, guys. And you can do this with any offer. And there's unlimited amount of email copy in here, guys. I mean, you just got to look, right? Another thing that you can do with, especially on ClickBank and stuff, is actually come to another offer. Let's look here and see if this is one of the ones that have it. And I'm scrolling down here, and you can see here it gives you a JV page, guys. So if you click on this JV page and you come to it, you can just scroll down and you read. It just tells you stuff about it. But if you keep scrolling down, a lot of the times these guys will tell you a lot about this product, but they'll also give you email swipes for you to use. So if you look here, let's see here, maybe this is the one that has it. Let's keep scrolling. There we go. See, so email swipes. If I click on email swipes, boom, look at this. All the emails for this offer that you can use to promote it, guys. How awesome is that? I hope you like this video, guys. Give me a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you have any other tips, leave that as well. Thanks for watching.